Hello everyone, and for those who don't know me, my name is Debbie, the owner of Edinburgh Wedding Stationery. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. If you've seen my first video, thanks for coming back. And if you'd like to see more, comment below, subscribe to my channel and click that little bell so you can get some notifications when my next video goes up online. So the agenda for today is to show you around the new studio and give you a comparison of what my old room used to look like to what I'm doing in here. This room has given me a lot more motivation, I feel a lot more productive, and I've got a lot more space, which I don't feel so enclosed, which kind of got me a little bit demotivated. So I'm quite excited, lots of new products on the go, and yeah, you'll get to see exactly what's going on in this room, how it's set up, and also I'm going to be introducing you to how I pack up my samples to brides or any other particular type of gift is or sample, how I wrap it up and send it off. And also I'm going to be giving you an insight into a request from Etsy to create a rose gold exploding box based around the kind of rose and the glass dome of Beauty and the Beast. So I'm only going to show you exactly what elements I use to make that and how I build it. And yeah, so let's get started, and thank you again for joining back. Okay, so I'm just going to take you on a little tour of the new space. There's still some unboxing and packaging to be doing, but I'm going to show you that on the next sequence of videos that are going to come up on the channel. Okay, so as we walk into the room, video cabinet, my wall planner, and this is the first station that you walk towards, and it's the sewing area and the candle area. So there's quite a few bits and bobs that are still working on and ready to put away into their proper places, but essentially this is 2 tables and it'll be split into the sewing area and the candle making kit. Now I have got some candles made already. This is the Pink Fizz fragrance, and it's absolutely divine. So I'm hoping to get some pictures up online very soon to get them on the go. Just spinning you around, and then at the back there we've just got my workstation, lots of cardstock materials, a lot of things that I just need close by to me. So this is where I kind of pretty much have my design space, answer emails and everything like that. And then moving on to the another workstation, which is basically where I cut everything out in terms of the cards, the gifts, the invitations. So a lot of foiling. So I've got some glasses there waiting to get posted online, so they've already been etched. I've got some packaging delivered in order to just to test out the kind of boxes I'm going to be putting the candles and the glasses into, so to see if this is going to be a good supplier for me. And also there I've got some gift bags that I'm going to be decorating with certain slogans or names depending on the actual gift itself. And then moving round is where I have all of my materials in stock ready to go. And yeah, so this is the space. Hi everyone, so I thought I'd come back and let you know what I've been up to. So it's now Sunday. I promised you that I'd let you see how I pack up some samples, so you'll get to see that next. But today, like I said, it's now Sunday, the sun is glorious out there. I sunbathed all day on Friday, had my paddling pool out. It was just, yeah, a fab wee day, so I thoroughly enjoyed that. And yeah, this week I've not really done much filming, just some little bits and bobs because I thought I'd take advantage of the weather, which is absolutely glorious. How often do us Scots get this nice weather? So you're going to see a clip of me doing the samples, and also I'm going to show you some things that I've been working on as well. So some glass etching, some candle making, and perhaps yeah, hopefully you like, and you can comment below. So I'm just going to head out to the post office. As you've seen, I was packing up a bride sample. She requested tartan paper and silver mirror card. So I actually managed to get the tartan designed for her, and my local printer or supplier arranged for that to be printed and sent up. Also, I've got save the dates that have just been completed. They're going in the post as well, and also another sample of an Indian wedding invitation. So there's been a few changes to that one as well, and obviously because of the lockdown her date's been changed. It was due to be in August, so it's now next year. So yeah, I'm just going to get them post off and hopefully the brides will like. And the save the dates, this is the second batch, just purely because the bride had to change her date from one date to another next year. Unsure of the reason, because her wedding is actually next year, but yeah, so she's requested them to be sent again, and all is good. So I'm going to go off to the post office and get that suntan lotion on. Okay, bye.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Hi everyone, so thank you for coming back. Today is now Tuesday afternoon, and yeah, what I thought I'd show you today is how I'm doing some photo shoots for some of the glasses that are going to go up on my website and Etsy. And what I'm doing is I'm taking different types of glasses. I'm keeping them blank because I've put some designs in place for etching, and I've got a PDF that's going up on Etsy as well, where you can have a look at some of the designs, and also people can give me suggestions of what designs they want to see. So that's what you've just seen there just now, is me taking some photos, and then I'm going to put them into Photoshop and create some smart objects, so that all I need to do is add in the design and it'll be printed onto the glass. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to show you how I actually do the etching. So I think that's quite a good idea. So with me doing the photo shoot, I'll put a design into one of the glasses and the software that I use, and then I'll basically show you the process from start to finish. So yeah, I'll get everything set up and then I'll have a look into that with you, because I want you to see how I do that. And then you can give me your opinions and comment below and tell me what you think, what design that you would like to see. That would be quite a nice thing for you to give me a shout and let me know what design you would like to see on your glasses. Obviously Father's Day is coming up, so I've kind of put some Father's Day designs in place. Not too sure about them just yet. It's still yeah, still a progress. I'm in progress at the moment. I need help with some designs. My mind's gone blank. No, seriously, comment below. I have put some ideas in place, but well, there's obviously lots of different scope out there. People have different thoughts and obviously different personalities, so it'd be quite nice to kind of implement some of your personality into the glass etching, if that is a thing. Yeah, let's try it. Okay, so like I said, let's get set up and I'll let you see how I do all this. Alright, I'll be right back. So I thought I'd let you see some of the designs that I've put in place. So I mean, these are just some ideas. As I said, comment below, let me know if there's other things that you'd like to see. These are quite quirky, quite fun. They're not as serious in terms of kind of more along your lines as like your initial and then a design. I've got quite a lot of kind of nice, quite a lot of childrenly stuff, but I think that's quite nice as well. As I said, like down here you've got your Prosecco time, more of a kind of wedding idea, Debbie and Barry getting married. We haven't really got married, by the way. And some fancy shoes. I know a lot of people like bees and things like that, so these are just some ideas, and this is another set of ideas. Like I said, these are quite kind of children-like, and also celebrations there with the Father's Day coming up with some animals. I mean, I love my dogs, I love my bunnies and things like that. So yeah, there's ideas, but obviously I would be open for other suggestions as well, which would be quite nice. And obviously let me know what you like, and if you have any other thoughts. But yeah, what I'm going to do now is kind of give you an idea of going from the screen onto a glass. So yeah, let's get on and start with that. Okay, so got everything set up. I have selected my design. So I'm going to load my cutting mat into machine. And this one can get quite noisy, but we'll sort that out in a second. Okay, so I've covered the vast majority of the glass, as you can see. I've got some gloves on. This stuff here is, yeah, well, you're cutting into glass, you're etching into glass, aren't you? So just basically protect yourself. So I've got some stuff in the lid. Now the technique that I'm using is a paintbrush. Okay, it's a flat-headed paintbrush. And what I like to do is I like to, go over it, all over the wording. And I do this for about 10 minutes. I tend to time myself, so it's about 10 minutes past 9 at night. So yeah, I have a full-time job, so everything that I do tends to be at night time. So I'm just basically rubbing all this on. Okay, so I'm just going to crack on with this, and then we'll come back and I will let you know what I do next. Okay, so I've left this on for a good wee bit, and what I'd done before I left it was just add in a lot more etching cream. So as you can see that I've left quite a lot of the blobs all the way around the wording. So what I'm going to do now is just try and scrape quite a lot of this back into the tub itself, and I'm going to go and rinse it off, and then we'll come back and you can see what it looks like. Okay, so I've rinsed it off, and now what I'm going to do is just peel off the vellum. polish it up a little bit. And hopefully you can see the final result. Let's have a look. A paintbrush gives me a much better coverage, and that's why the designs of Father's Day. So these are going on Etsy. You'll be able to find them in my shop, Edinburgh Wedding. And yeah, good old football one. Baz playing his football. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Like I said, comment below on any other designs that you might like to see, and I'll be more than happy to create them for you. Okay, so thank you again for watching. Okay, love you guys, love to you all. Thanks for watching. Please support me. Click on that subscribe button and click on that little bell for more updates and more videos.